Good morning, my lovely kids. I am Puram Chaudhary. Here I am coming for taking a motivational speech for you. New thing we have to, how we can increase our self-confidence. I am coming with the more self-confidence. How can we boost our self-confidence? So today in this topic we have to talk about how can we increase our self-confidence. So here as you see on the blackboard is written self-confidence. So you must see that a lot comes to us because of hesitation. We are not able to present to the people. Because of this, when we have to see, we have to hesitate. Then we can't express our things. So first important thing is that don't be hesitate ever. You have to try at least what you have to speak, what you have to do. At least you have to try. Don't be hesitate, my kids. So here there are some important points that we have to talk on that, speak on that. My first thing is that never compare. Never compare means you have to never compare anyone because you are unique. God created us as just us, like me, and no one more like else can. It means never compare means God make me unique. God make us create a unique. No one is like me. I am the unique. I am the whole universe. I am the unique. So you always be think in your mind, yes, I am unique. I will do each thing. I will do everyone. So that most important thing is never compare. You will never compare to you to anyone. Like in your class, someone is having the different qualities. Everyone is having. Someone is good in studies, someone good in sports, someone good in art and crafts, someone good in singing a song, and you also having any new thing that no one is having. So never compare yourself to anyone. My second point is that start doing new things. It means we have to start new things in our life. Start doing new things that confident people are doing. Wherever you see in school around you, it's very confident that. So pay attention what you have to make those who are confident. It means never start doing new things. It means have you seen the confident peoples ever? In your class, some students are having a more confident in our own self. So it means कि first you have to notice that type of students कि how they will be confident themselves. You have to notice them कि what they all will do in the life, how they will be more confident. First you have to notice the things कि they will never compare the things to anyone. They will do what they want to do. They can't be hesitate the life. They can't be hesitate to things to do. So you also notice this thing. And one thing, do smile ever. Don't be like face like this. I will not do. I can't do. Don't do. And so my thing is that you have to delete this thing. Don't know and all. So always do smile. Now third point is that inner talent. That thing, most important thing that I believe too much in the kids. So you always recognize your inner talent. Inner talent means what you have to think inside. What you have to think. It means आप क्या सोचते हो अपने अंदर? आपके अंदर God create us a unique. So it means we have your unique things. So you have to always recognize your inner talent. Inner talent means identify and do work on your inner talents. Everyone has some talent inside them. Someone, have you seen in your class, someone is doing dance well, someone is singing a song well, someone is doing the study well, and sometimes the kids are the all of things in the inside inner talent. So you also recognize your inner talent, what you have to do good. So do focus on that you have to do, kids. Okay, that is the important thing. You have to always boost up your inner talent. Now I am going to do number 4, that is achievements. Achievements means that you have to always recall your achievements. Many times we get disappointed that we have never can't do anything. Must always remember your good achievement. Good achievements means you always recall your achievement. Have you ever think teacher will tell you the good things about you in the class, and the students, all the class will clapping for you? That is the good time, my student. That is the good time when teacher are saying to you कि do clapping for him or her. So you have to recall that time. Yes, wow, मैम ने उस टाइम में मेरे लिए clap करवाई थी. That time the most happiest time. So sometimes you are getting the sports certificate in the school. Have you seen now? You have now that sports certificate. So take that sports certificate and look at them. Wow, that time I was good in the sport. So now I am also good. Next time I am doing the best mine. So you always recall your achievement. I always do this thing. I always record my certificates and I will see, wow, that time I was doing good. That time I was good in sports. That time I was good in other activities. So I always see my certificate. I was doing so. So you also do this thing. Okay, kids? Now my thing is that number 5, the most important thing, always think positive. We are not afraid to make mistake. We should never think that I can't do this work. We should always think that how can we do this work, because it means always think positive means we have to think. You never said that thing I can't do this, I don't want to do this. You said yes, I will try, I will do my level best. After that it will be seen. Don't be afraid by your mistakes, what you are doing. Don't be afraid, kids. This is my request to you. Whenever you are doing anything, mistake will be happen, but don't afraid by your mistakes. Mistakes will remain a try and it will be a success. Okay, the thing is that always think positive. So you have to increase yourself in your life. Okay, you have to boost up your confidence. So in the last I am saying to you,